morning. Oh, you did it. Long time, friend.
Would you like to begin and share some more words?
As I often used to expressing, the very purpose of this kind of meeting, number one, expand our knowledge. It seems to me the modern science and world with physical, say, atom or quark in these fields, you see, they are sort of, as a result of research, so very detailed, very precise explanation. Now, when the subject about mind, emotion, then the science field not adequate. So we need more work about inner world, about mind. So that's one of our purpose is expansion or sort of knowledge. Then another sort of purpose is why we are sort of talking. I feel today's world, materials, and also even scientific sort of research, scientific knowledge, highly developed. And with that, economy and many things highly developed. Yet, the real question of amount of human happiness and the world itself, now a lot of problems. Many of these problems is actually our own creation. So, now today's world, global warming, and to some extent, beyond our control. But many other problems, for example, the problem due to huge gap, rich and poor, national level, global level, and then war. So the knowledge about through science, you see, use for killing. Very sad. And then existing situation is we too much sort of emphasis, we and they. On that basis, even religious faith also causing problem. At this very moment, we enjoy peaceful sort of atmosphere. But same time, same planet, same human being, even in the name of religion, killing each other. Syria, Afghanistan, and this Arab area. So these are our own creation. So it is our responsibility how to make some contribution to reduce this killing, violence, and this suffering. Since these problems, human creation, so logically, we human beings have the ability to
solve them,
reduce this problem, if not kasoda
Eliminate.
ka
Eliminate.
or eliminate. So that's our one main sort of purpose. Number of occasion, some scientists mentioned basic human nature since we are a social animal. That is true. You see, each individual's survival depends on the community. Since we are a social animal, therefore, compassion by nature, we human beings have that. So basic human nature is more compassionate. That's really a hopeful sign. Now the mistake is education system, existing education system, very much oriented about material value, including science. External science, not inside science, so because inner science.
Inner science.
Now, since therefore, now time come, we must make effort to educate human being the importance of the warm-heartedness. This human marvelous brain must come combined with warm-heartedness. If this wonderful brain combined with anger, fear, then become destructive. So this brain should combine with warm-heartedness. That not through teaching
Religion.
or religion, but now scientific sort of research. And now, as I mentioned earlier, some scientists say, you see, constant anger or hatred is very bad for our health. I think according to my own little experience, I think the compassionate mind, more practice that, then whole phenomena appears something very positive. That reduces fear or suspicion. So too much self-centered attitude, then this side also you see, you get some suspicion. Here also suspicion. Altruism, entire sentient being, particularly 7 billion human beings, we are same. One human community. We have to live side by side on this planet. Then you see, killing each other makes sort of the creation, strong we and they, is very short-sighted, narrow-minded, old thinking. Now today's world, entire 7 billion human beings are one human community, live on one planet. So now these things through scientific sort of basis explain, I think, you see, more people, I think more conviction, rather than religious sort of spiritual leaders say that. Religion, of course, still many people get some benefit, but 7 billion, I think over 1 billion non-believer, too. And among the believer also, you see too much concept of we and they and killing each other. Very sad, very, very sad. Like that. So that's our main sort of one purpose is to promote human value and ethics. Value, ethics, very much related.